So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday. We are finally starting to post back on our normal days. I'm excited about that. Y'all, these collabs have been keeping your girl occupied, but I want to try to still post my regular content on Sundays as well as partake in collabs. So I figured the best way to do that would be to do like mini series instead of like my longer 10-minute videos. So I'm gonna start one now on like just pantry organization, continuing with the theme of organizing our home and decluttering our home. So today we're going to go down to the kitchen and I'm going to show you how my pantry started out. I'll include the links obviously to everything so that if it's something useful to you or your loved ones, you can have access to it as well. I'm going to show you today just one product and I'll show you how I utilize it in my own pantry. So if you want to see how I organize and stock my pantry, come on downstairs to the kitchen and let's get it started. So I just wanted to show y'all how the pantry looked in the beginning, after install, and before I started filling it up. It has 4 rows and it's nice and big. So this is how it was at first. I had to move my mixer because I wanted to add this next item. This right here is a product that I've fallen in love with. It was packaged very well and there are 4 pieces inside. What this is basically stackable containers or stackable bins. They can be used in your pantry, in your fridge, in your closet, but this time I decided to utilize them inside of my pantry, and I'll show you in a second how I did that. So the good thing about these, like I said, they are stackable, so you can have 2 and 2 together. You can have, you know, all 4 of them separated out. It just depends on how much storage space you actually have. And again, everything will be linked in the description box so you can have anything that you need access to.
Othello on the
Alright, y'all, we're halfway through today's video, so you know we got to stop and do our subscriber shout out. If you want to be shout out, it's easy. Just join the fam, leave us a comment down below, and you can be featured next. So today's shout out is from the last video where I did an at-home Easter DIY photo shoot. The subscriber's name is Crafty Art Shack. She writes, "Hi Cicely, I love this. It's my first time seeing someone put together a balloon arch. New sub here. Can't wait to see what you do next. I definitely appreciate that. I'm glad I was able to show you something different. I like to switch it up and just continue to give y'all new content. All right, y'all, back to the pantry." All right, y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it was short, but sometimes we got to keep things a little bit short, sweet, and to the point. Hopefully, you were able to take away like the versatility is what I was trying to show. You can keep all types of snacks or just different condiments. You can keep things that are in bottles or bags, different shaped items inside of those bins, and to see how they could be stacked and pushed around. So even if you don't have a pantry, like when I started off, I probably should show y'all some of that older content. When I started off, I didn't have a traditional pantry, even though I don't have a lot of space. I have more than what I did. So part of my channel was to show you how to decorate and organize a rental, even if you're not a homeowner, and to show you how to decorate and organize when you have smaller spaces. Because when I started out on YouTube, everybody had these huge 3,000 and up square foot homes. They were beautiful, but it just wasn't realistic or very relatable to me. So I had to learn to organize and do things in different ways that I could maintain it within my home. So hopefully the things that I show you throughout this pantry organization and just home organization series will be something that can really help you, and you can take away and add to it as you see fit. If you enjoyed today's content, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. I am Cicely. I should have said that in the beginning if you didn't get it, but I'm Cicely. I go by Cece, and I'm a disabled mom to 2 young boys by way of sickle cell. Sickle cell is an inherited red blood cell disorder that causes anything from pain to stroke, memory loss, all types of horrendous things. But I feel like it was important to show both sides of disability, because just looking at me on a good day, you wouldn't know all of the weight and the things that I carry. So I just want to encourage you that if I can do it and get through life with whatever I have going on, you can do it too. And one video at a time, we're going to erase the stigma around disability and sickle cell. All right, y'all. Until the next upload, I'll see you and be blessed. Bye.
If I like that shirt, subscribe, do that for CICELY.